Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Shanwaz Ustamani, and I welcome to all of you at my channel Knowledge for All Seekers. And I hope that you all are fine wherever you are. And today, this is our sixth day of skill development course, in which we will learn a new topic and in which we learn another application of Google. So in lecture, in last video, we learned that how to uh, how to make our Google Drive and how to save our files, how to save our documents, how to upload our data in Google Drive. Okay. So in this video today, we are going to learn about Google Docs. Okay. Google Docs. It is also the application of Google. Okay. We are running in Google applications right now. We first of all we learn about Google Forms, then we learn in last lecture Google Drive, and in this lecture we are going to learn that how we can work on Google Docs. Okay, what are Google Docs? What is Google Doc and how we can work on it? So let's learn Google Docs. Okay, so first of all we will learn that what is Google Doc actually is. Okay, see here. Google Docs is Google's browser based word processor. What is Google Docs? Google Docs is a Google's browser based word processor. Okay, it means that Google Docs is a browser based word processor. We can You can write, you can create, edit, and share documents online. We can create, edit, and share documents online and also access them from any computer with an internet connection. Remember, with an internet connection. We cannot use Google Docs without internet connection. But what is actually Google Docs in simple words? We can say that Google Doc is a browser based, or you can also say that Google Docs is an internet based word processor, just like we work in MS Word of Microsoft Office, just like we work in Microsoft Office, MS Word, Microsoft Word. Same like this, we can work in Google Docs, but without any Microsoft Office software. Okay, we can work directly on Google Doc just like we are working on MS Word of MS Office. Okay, so Google Doc is a browser based word processor. Okay, in Google Docs we can create, we can edit, we can share documents online and also access them from any computer with an internet connection. Okay, so we can work on Google Doc and we can also share that document online and also access that document from any computer with an internet connection. Okay, so it's very simple. It's Google Doc is just like MS Word, which is available in Microsoft Office. So we can but here in Google, it is very freely available for those who use Google Docs. Okay, it is very freely available for those who work on Google Doc and also freely everything available in it. Okay, so it is a browser based word processor and we can work these type of things and also access them from any computer with internet connection. Okay, Google has made it incredibly easy to share documents. Google made it easy for us that we can share documents also across platforms and work on them together in real time from a browser window. And at the same time, we can work together by sharing of this document, okay, in Google Docs. So it is very simple that what is Google Docs? Google Doc is a browser-based or internet-based word processor in which we can create, edit, and share documents online, and we can also access them from any computer with an internet connection. Okay, and we can also work together with any person if you want. Just you have to share your document with that person's email address, and you both can work together on the same document. Okay, so what are the advantages of Google Drive? So we are going to learn a little bit about advantages of Google Drive, sorry, Google Docs. We have written we have mistake here. Advantages of Google Docs, okay, is fully compatible with Microsoft Word. So just like same like Microsoft, in Microsoft Word, we can also work in Google Docs also. Okay, we can work in Google Docs also, same like which we work in MS Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, so add functionality with Google Chrome extensions. It is connected with Google Chrome, and we can also add extension to Chrome also. Ease of collaboration, access your work from any device. We can work on Google Docs from any device we want. Either it is a laptop, either it is a tablet, either it is mobile, or either it is computer. Okay, automatic saving, we cannot use for anything for saving. It automatically save for us. Okay, Google Docs save us everything automatically. We don't need to save anything, it automatically save for us. Okay, it's packed with helpful features. There are many helpful features which are available in Google Docs, and we can use them and facilitate from them. Okay, and the main thing is it's very, very, very free. We don't need to pay for anything for it. It's very, very free. We have to just make our Google account and use this application very easily and fully freely. Okay, another advantage is we can share with others directly. Okay, if you want to share our document with any other person, then we can share that document also from their email address. Okay, if you have any email address if you have any email address of any person, then you can share it with that person. Okay, and you both can work together in the same document. Okay, so these are the advantages of Google Docs. Sorry, it is written here Google Drive, but it will be Google Docs. Okay, so let's learn Google Docs practically. So now we are going to learn Google Docs practically, that how it works and how we can work on Google Doc. Okay, so for this we have to go in our internet browser. Okay, so let's go in internet browser. So this is our internet browser, and we have to write here docs dot google dot com. Okay, nothing else. Just you have to write docs dot google dot com. But before using this, before entering in Google Docs, I already told you in last lectures also that before using Google applications, you must have to log in your Google account. Okay, in your Gmail account. So, before using any application of Google, you must have to log in with your Gmail account. See here, I am already logged in with my account, so I can use this application. If you don't have Gmail account, you cannot use these applications. Okay, remember this. For using Google applications, you must have Google account as well. Okay, and you must have to log in your Google account, and then you can use these applications. So I am already logged in my account, so I am using this application. So we have to write here docs.google.com and enter it. Okay, so it will take us to Google Docs. Okay, it's very simple, just like we are working on MS Word. And this is very free MS Word for us in Google Docs, you can say. Okay, so what can we do? Start a new document. For a very blank document, we will click on blank document. Okay, if you want to make any resume directly on Google Docs, then click on this resume file. You will be you will be able to automatically edit this document with your details. Okay, this is also a format of resume, and if you want to make any cover letter, you can click on this. If you have any project proposal, then you click on this file. Or if you want to make any brochure, so these formats are available for you very freely in Google Docs, and you can edit them or create them and share it with your friends also. Okay, so right now we are going to click on blank document, and how we can work on Google Doc. Okay, so if you want to save, then you can also save it with your name also. But before saving, you have to click on any document first. So click on blank document. Okay, we are going to write something and edit. And so see here, this is a platform where we can work on it. Same, is it same like MS Word document? Okay, is it? Yes, it is the same like we work in Microsoft Word document. Okay, but in Microsoft Office we have to install Microsoft Office in our computer. But here in Google Docs, it is very freely available for us to make your any document for you or your friends or for anyone. Okay, so how we can work on it? If you want to write anything, for example, we are writing here, there is no difference between human beings and animals. For example, I am writing just as an example. Okay, you can write anything. You can write any paragraph, or you can write any essay or anything you want. So I am just writing this sentence. Okay, so if you will copy and paste it, you can paste it here. Okay, so we can do same work which we were do in Microsoft Office. How we will do in Microsoft Office, it will be another lecture, it will be another video. But right now we are in Google Docs, so we are learning here about Google Docs. Okay, so yeah, for example, we are writing this thing. Okay, so if you want to make anything bold, just select and click on bold. If you want to do make anything italic, you can click and right click on italic. If you want anything to underline, you can select and underline it. See here, it is automatically saving our document. Okay, we don't need to save anything, it is automatically saving our document. Okay, so these menus are also available for you, just like they are available in Microsoft Office. If you want to make new file, new document, then you have to click on new document. If you have already any document available, so then you have to click on open, And if you want to email anything, any person, this you can, if you want to send email to anyone, so then you have to click on this. Okay, if you want, so there are multiple options are available for us to work on Google Docs. Okay, for example, you want to copy uh, this thing. If you want to copy this thing, then go in edit and copy. Where you want to paste it, just here, then click on control V. If you will press control V, then it will be pasted here. Okay, so if you want to write your name of the document, for example, I am writing my first my first Google Doc. Okay, my first Google document. Okay, so our file will be saved as this name. Okay, my first Google, sorry, my first Google Doc. Okay, so it will save with the name of this. Okay, so for example, we want to view, you can click on this. For example, we are viewing as full screen, then click on full screen, and there are multiple options are available in this edit also. If you want to undo, then click on undo. What is undo and redo, we will learn in details in MS Office lecture. Okay, in the video of Microsoft Word, where we will learn the whole MS Office in that lecture. Okay, so just right now we are, I am telling you that how we can use our Google Doc in Google applications. Okay, so you can insert anything if you have already available. For example, we want to insert any image, so you can click on this thing, upload from a computer. For example, we are going to upload anything if we have. So see, let's see if we have anything. Okay, we have this thing. Okay, we are uploading this thing. See here, the file is, the picture is uploaded here. You can see here, you can move here, you can insert your picture. Okay, so just like this you can do your own work also. Okay, if you want to insert anyone, if you want to insert any table, for example this thing, this table, and then click. So see, table is inserted here, and there are different menus. So we are not going in deep in, we are not going to in deep for MS Word. So just I have to tell you that how we can work on Google Doc. Okay, so for example, we want to save this file. Okay, so remember that whatever we do in Google applications, it will automatically will be saved in Google Drive. Okay, this file will be automatically saved in our own Google Drive, which we already created. Okay, whenever we make our Google account, Google Drive will automatically create it for us up to 15 GB. Okay, we can save data up to 15 GB. So if you want to see your this file, either it is saved or not, so go in your Google Drive, as we learn in last lecture how to see drive.google.com. Okay, and enter it. So you will find your this document in Google Drive. What was the name? My first Google Doc. Okay, so see here, where it is available. uh, where it is, here it is. Okay, my first Google Doc is available here. If you want to double click and open it directly from here, you will open it and work. See here, our Google Doc is now open, and now we can work on it. Okay, so I hope that you have understand that how we can work on Google Doc and how we can save our data. If you want to make any application and want to save on Google Drive, you can you can write your application here, or anything you want to do in this Google Doc you can do. Okay, and your file will be automatically saved in Google Drive. See here, your file is automatically saved in your Google Drive. This is our own drive, which is up to 15 GB. See here, only 929 kilobytes we have used, and 15 we have used of out of 15 GB. Okay, from 15 GB we have used right now only 929 KB kilobytes. So I hope that you have understand that how we can work on Google Docs, and it is very freely available in Google application. So this is just like we are working on Microsoft Word. Okay, every features of Microsoft Words or Microsoft Word is available in this Google Doc. Okay, and the main thing, what we have created this document, but if you want to share this document, so then how we can share? For sharing there is a same procedure which we learn in Google Forms also, in Google Drive also. So just you have to click on share, and just you have to write email of that person to whom you want to share. Just write here email address to whom you want to share this document, and then click on done. Okay, so this document will be shared with your that friend which you have written here. Okay, so I think you understand very well. So there is nothing any difficult, there is nothing any difficult thing. If you have liked this video, then tell me in comments also. And if you have any query regarding this Google Docs, you can also ask and tell me in comments that how you rate this video, how you have liked this video or not. Also tell me in comments. Okay, so I hope that you have understand that what is Google Doc and how we can work in Google Doc. Okay, this is our main drive. Everything which we are working on a Google application is automatically saved here in your Google Drive. Okay, so I think that's enough for today, and I hope that you have learned very much. And if you have any query, you can ask in comments or comments of this video. Okay, and so and also, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe this channel and also click on bell icon to get to receive latest videos of this channel. Okay, so till next video, till next lecture, it's goodbye from me. Take care of yourself and always be happy, and remember it, never give up. Never give up. Okay? It's goodbye from me. Allah Hafiz. Bye.